Hello and welcome to Best with Streamer, and today I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can connect your Oculus Quest 2 to your computer. Now, I do not personally own a Quest 2, so I cannot show you guys the physical process, but I can definitely guide you guys through it. So first and foremost, you want to have the Oculus Quest 2 application on your computer. It's just going to be Quest. And now once you have it, select the way you want to connect your Quest 2 to your computer. Now there's two ways of doing it. One is going to be via wire and the other is going to be via wireless. Now if you're doing it via the wires, grab your wire and connect the Type-C cable to your computer and to your headset. Once you do that, open your Quest 2 app, go to devices, then click on add headset. Once you click on add headset, over there you just want to click the link, and then there's going to be a cable icon on it. Select that and that's going to be it. Now the wireless connection, all you want to do is head over to settings on your Quest 2. Then from there you want to go to beta. There's going to be a tab at the end which is going to be beta, and then click on beta, click on AirLink, and once you click on AirLink, just link your Quest 2 with your PC via the application, and that's going to be it. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.